Today we are going to be replacing the windshield wipers on a 2012 Honda Odyssey. The first thing you'll do is you'll just pull the windshield wiper up. Go ahead and you will flip the wiper so it's horizontal, and then you'll pull down and you can see there's a little hook that's what it was attached to, and you'll just release the wiper. So we went ahead and ordered our new wiper from Rain-X, and it's a 26-inch for the driver's side. So the wiper blade will come looking like this, and what you'll need to do is you'll need to bring out this little lever, and you'll need to have that vertical, and then there'll be a little hook right here, and that's what will attach to the arm of the blade. So you'll go ahead and put the wiper blade on the right side, and you will put the hook over the latch and then just slide it up through the hook. You should hear it pop into place, and then you can go ahead and slide it back down. And that should be it for the driver's side. To remove the cover. So the passenger side is different, and you don't have to lift it up, but you do have to press in on this little lever and then slide the wiper blade off the arm. Okay, so we purchased the Rain-X H22 hybrid for the passenger side, and you're going to need to maybe read the instructions or research online, because each brand is different and wiper blades can vary. So you just need to make sure that yours will fit on with the hook, and just research if it's different than what we're showing you. But for this one, all you need to do is pop up this little lever. Take the hook, and then you'll slide it through to catch onto the different lever. And you'll put the hook through and try to catch it on the lever, and then you'll need to lift the wiper blade, and then you'll click it into place and lay the wiper back down. And then you'll need to remove the cover on the wiper blade, and you should be good to go. Check your manual for instructions on how to replace your wiper blades. You can see the wiper blades are working. And that's it. Please subscribe.